Have you ever wondered what a book dangle is? Or a book spine dangle? Well, there's one. This one here is made out of silk sari ribbon. I think it goes quite nicely with the cover of my book. I was thinking, oh, what's the simplest way to make a spine dangle without investing too much into it? I mean, I've got loads of jewellery making supplies and yeah, all sorts of different supplies, but I thought, well, I'd make something that's accessible for most people. So my spine dangle here is attached by just hanging over paper clip, like so. I've used a large gold paper clip here, but you can use any colour. You can try these fancy ones or just a silver normal one, but these are large paper clips. So basically what you do is you tie, in this case I tied my sari ribbon onto one side of the paper clip. I'll show you how here. So on this one with the bigger loop side, if you're using ribbon, fold it in half. Okay, put it inside here. Oops, I'm always knocking this. Oh, I don't know, it never improves, do I? I make the same mistakes over and over again. Anyway, and I keep saying anyway, I'm conscious of that. So that's your first ribbon attached. And then just attach as many as you like, working your way up here. I mean, on this one I've got 3. Yeah, I've got 3 tied on there. That works quite well. And then what you do is let's move the camera up so you can see. You just, in between the signatures, just let it drop over like so. And obviously this needs to be embellished. You wouldn't want all that plain bit showing, so continue to embellish it up there with more ribbon. And then I was thinking, what else could I use apart from paper clips? And then I thought, I will use hair grips. I can use these hair grips here. And what is good about using a hair grip is they've got protectors on the end so they don't scratch your head. So that's really good. I mean, if you're a jewellery maker, you can just use wire and make the same sort of thing, but this is ready-made, and all you have to do is just bend it up however high you want it to be. Well, that's quite that's large, isn't it, that loop there? Anyway, that's the one I've done previously, this smaller loop. And then I thought it'd be quite nice, instead of ribbon, it'd be quite nice to hang some beads. So anyway, this is what this one looks like, hanging over the end there. So that looks quite nice, doesn't it? And what's good is they'll stay on, but they're very easy to remove as well. And I thought, well, I'd like to hang something like a beaded dangle on here. And I've got this little bracelet that I made using these beautiful check glass beads. So if you want some inspiration, these beads are beautiful, and I've got these little cat face ones which I like very much. So lots of nice inspirational beads in there. So I made this beaded bracelet and I thought, well, I'd quite like to hang that on there. But I'm not going to use it as a bracelet anymore. I'm just going to use it as a dangle. So what I need to do is remove the jump ring from here using my jewellery making tools. And again for the other end. So now I've got this really nice check glass cat face ornamentation with my check glass beads. Oh, forgot to take this bit off at the end as well. I'll take this bit off, we don't need this for now. Although I could hang something else onto that, couldn't I? Oh, I'll leave it on. I could hang something else onto that. So all I need to do is now move you up and move that out of the way and move this in here, is just hang it on like so. Don't know if you can see that. Can you see that? So there's a couple of ideas. For attaching your bead dangles, and also take that off there. If you have these, it's like a solid ring. You can put, or attach rather, your silk ribbon or your ribbon to one of these. Oh, that's not very good, is it? Let's try again. Okay. Over and under. There we go. So what you can do is, if you have a ring to attach these ribbons to, you can then just pop that over. So that's another way of attaching your dangles to your journal.